Endocrine system consists of 20 endocrine glands found in different parts of the body. First of all, we will discuss pituitary gland. It is oval structure attached to the hypothalamus of the brain. It is also called master gland. It has two main lobes. First of all, we will discuss about anterior lobe. Anterior lobe secrete following hormones. First one is called growth hormones. This hormone promotes the growth of the body. Second is thyroid stimulating hormone. It controls the development and secretion of thyroid hormone. It is called thyroxine. Next one is ACTH. It acts on the cortex part of the adrenal gland and help to release the adrenal hormone. It helps to regulate stress response, also metabolism and blood pressure. Last one is luteinizing hormone. It is needed for the release of egg cell from the ovary in the female, and in case of the male, it stimulates testes to produce sex hormone. Next one is posterior lobe of pituitary gland. It secretes the following hormones. First one is thyroid gland. It secretes the thyroxine and calcitonin. Thyroxine increases the metabolism of the body and produces heat in the body. Oxytocin contracts the uterus muscles during childbirth. It also stimulates the flow of milk from the breast during lactation. Antidiuretic hormone. It is also called vasopressin. This hormone affects the renal tubules to reabsorb large quantity of water from the glomerular filtrate. It regulates water balance, also maintain blood pressure. It also plays a role in aggressive and emotional responses. Calcitonin stimulates the transfer of calcium ion from the blood to the bone, where the calcium ions can be used to generate bone tissue. In this way, calcitonin maintains blood calcium levels. Pancreas has both exocrine and endocrine activity. It produces the pancreatic juice, which is exocrine gland, while as an endocrine gland, it secretes insulin and glucagon. An endocrine function is performed by a special cell called islets of Langerhans, which are present in pancreas. Glucagon works opposite to insulin and it increases the blood sugar level. A pair of adrenal gland is present on the top of each kidney. Outer layer is called adrenal cortex while the inner is called adrenal medulla. Adrenal cortex work under the action of ACTH from anterior pituitary. Hormones of the adrenal cortex are called corticosteroid hormones, while the adrenal medulla secrete adrenaline and non-adrenaline. These hormones are secreted in the stressful situations. Gonads are the reproductive organ which produce gametes. The male gonads are called testes while the female are called ovaries. Hormone of the ovaries are estrogen and progesterone. Testosterone help in the development of male secondary sexual characteristics like growth on the face and thickening of the voice, etc. While hormone of the ovary involved in female secondary sexual character.